Crushed it, unpacking the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unpack a very popular English phrase, crushed it. Whether you're watching a movie, a TV show, or chatting with English speakers, you've probably heard someone say they crushed it and wondered what it means. Well, you're in luck because we're about to dive into the heart of this expression to help you understand and use it like a native speaker. So let's get started. The phrase, crushed it, is a common slang term that's used to express that someone has done something exceptionally well. It originates from the verb, to crush, which means to press or squeeze with a force that destroys or deforms. However, when used in this context, crushing something means you've dominated it or succeeded at it to a great extent. For example, if someone aced a test, they could say they crushed it, which means they performed very well on the test. It's a way of patting oneself on the back for a job well done and is often used to convey a sense of victory or triumph. You can use crushed it in any informal situation where you want to celebrate a success, big or small. It could be after giving a great presentation at work, winning a game, completing a challenging workout, or even making a successful meal. The phrase is versatile and can be used in almost any context where success is achieved. Remember, it's a casual and informal phrase, so it's best to use it with friends, family, and colleagues who appreciate casual language. It's not the kind of phrase you would want to use in a formal context. There are a few variations of crushed it that carry the same or similar meanings. Phrases like killed it, nailed it, or aced it are all cousins of crushed it and are used interchangeably by English speakers to express that they have done something very well. It's good to be aware of these variations, as it will help you better understand conversations and express your own successes in different ways. So, there you have it. Now you know what crushed it means and how to use it to express your successes in English. We hope this video has been informative and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed learning with us, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Happy learning, and until next time, keep crushing it.